I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. Adding a debit card to your Payoneer wallet can be a bit tricky, but following these steps will make it easier. Step 1. Log into your Payoneer account. Start by logging into your Payoneer account using your registered email and password. Make sure you're using a secure network to protect your information. Step 2. Navigate to the settings. Once logged in, locate the settings option in the main menu. Click on it to access your account settings where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the settings, find and select payment methods. This section allows you to add or edit your debit card and other payment options. Step 4. Add your debit card information. Click on the option to add a new debit card. Enter your card number, expiration date, and CVV. Double check the details to avoid any errors, as incorrect information can lead to failed transactions. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your card details, review everything and click confirm to save your changes. You should receive a confirmation message once your card is successfully added. If you encounter any issues, make sure your card is not expired and that it is accepted by Payoneer. Happy transactions!